You want a treat? Do you? Want some peanut butter? Do you want some peanut butter? Do you? Have some peanut butter.
How much is it? At $1,200. This is a house with a fenced-in yard. Oh.
And it's not a duplex.
That's some good peanut butter? You turn your head. And she turns her head like she's trying to get more of it.
And it's in a nice neighborhood. There's lots of
Yeah, some good peanut butter, huh?
You can have lots of friends.
Yeah, is that good? Is that good peanut butter?
Yeah. Yeah.
I could walk. Could I walk?
Yeah, right down the street.
Ray, you said walk and yours went up. Yummy peanut butter, oh yeah.
Be right down the street.
Good girl. Want you? Yeah, is that good? Yeah. Almost done? Yeah. No? Poor Meow Meow. Okay, got peanut butter. Oh, thanks for liking the camera. You're welcome.
Dad.